Hi, I'm Katie from Silverhook and I want to talk to you about Silverhook's diesel treatment for commercial vehicles. This is for your vans and lorries as it treats up to 250 litres of fuel. Now what's special about this is that it uses a unique combustion enhancer called CE+, which burns your fuel more completely, leaving less soot in your engine and therefore lowering your emissions. You're also going to find that it helps with your fuel economy. You'll have more miles to the gallon, as well as better starting, better acceleration, and less white startup smoke from your exhaust. And this is because it includes a very strong detergent which will clean your injectors, your valves, your pistons, basically your entire fuel system in just one application. It's also going to negate any negative effects of water in your system, any oxidization, and with added inhibitors which will protect against corrosion and damages caused by cavitation. Now to use, with your tank about a quarter full, just pour the entire contents of the bottle in and then keep filling up as normal. To find out more, go on our website or give us a call today.